Hello everybody, my name is Alan Cruz. I'm a project manager and salesperson for ProTops, and today we're going over a new build that we have just finalized. Let's check it out. Beautiful home, one of our partners, one of our custom build partners. On this property we have done the kitchen, the master bathroom, bed 2 and bed 3. So right now we're going to check out the master bathroom. Very spacious bedroom. We're walking into the bedroom. You can see the solid white quartz countertops with the white shaker cabinets with the square black handles. This is a very modern look. Of course, talking about the undermount sinks, rectangle shape, and also the brush nickel faucets. I mean, very neat looking, very sophisticated. You know, bringing in the luxury that the client was looking for. This is a double vanity master bathroom, so we also have a smaller vanity here, following the same purpose, of course, not having the handles on the fake drawer, and just really keeping it neat looking. Very beautiful. If you take a look at the cabinets, we are out soft closing cabinets for drawers and doors. And this is our beautiful solid white quartz. Coming over here, we have to go upstairs and see the bed 2 and bed 3. So going up the stairs, and please make sure to take a look on the house, take a look at the details of this property. Beautiful home, and of course, ProTops is working the best out there, making sure everybody's taken care of, and you know, you're having the most profit of your projects. On my left, we have the bed 2. Same idea. We have solid quartz, white shaker cabinets, black handles. We're keeping the same type of flooring. Over here, we have the bed 3. It could be slightly smaller vanity. One open side. Solid white, as you see, as you already know, keeping flow everywhere with the 4 inches backsplash going all the way across. This house is still being worked on. It's not completely done for the homeowners yet, so this is why we should have this letters and construction material here. But we are pretty much done. Just a few touch-ups and we should be good to go. Going downstairs now. The masterpiece of the project, right? The beautiful kitchen, right? Kitchen is definitely, might be the most important thing in the house, right? This is where you entertain your family, this is where you entertain your friends, this is where you spend the most time in your home. So for this client, we have went all the way up to the ceiling with the full high backsplash. And the cabinetry. For the stacked cabinets, we decided to go with the glass doors to give it this, you know, aesthetic look. The quartz countertops is the Fajada white. It's a white quartz with gray veining and some cuts of gold. You know, luxury, very sophisticated. And if you take a look at the full high backsplash, we can see that the veining are all going on the same flow. Just a professional work, very quality work on full high backsplash on this property. And of course, the cooktop. Notice that the handles here are slightly wider than the rest of the kitchen. And this is ProTops taking care of the details for its clients. Really make sure the design is spotless. Over here we have the double oven with the microwave and the fridge right beside it. I mean, just beautiful kitchen. Client is really happy, very excited to be opening this house for the new homeowners, and we're excited to have you on board as well. Let's check this out.